Hi everyone, my name is Amit Chopra. Today's topic is very important. Many people look for the answers for these questions: how to measure Google AdWords campaign regularly and what all they should do to improve the performance of the campaign. We thought to cover these two topics together so that we should able to give you the idea what all need to be done to make your campaign successful. So I will start with Google Ads. See, idea of creating any campaign is to get response, and you will only get response when you will put right keywords. So you can use keyword planner, but use it very carefully. You need to take out those keywords which has good traffic. People have searched those specific terms, and those terms are very relevant to your business. Your buyer, your people who are looking for your services or your product are typing those keywords to reach similar competition like you. Once you are done with keyword, the next part is to define those keywords in ad groups. I run digital marketing agency. So in digital marketing agency, there are keywords like social media marketing as a service we offer to the clients, SEO services we offer to the clients. So I should not include SEO and social media marketing in the ad groups which has digital marketing agency. These three are different services. For these three different services, we should create three different ads, and for these ads, we should have different ad groups. So you should create specific ad groups, not just one ad group, and in those one ad group you should put all your product or services. Try to use it way, organized way. Other thing is you should include your keywords in ad text. It is also very important to include your keywords. It will increase the quality of your ad. Other important thing is that you should put some specific unique selling points of your product in the ads so that people should get the idea about your product. Suppose if you're offering free shipping, you should include these kind of unique selling point of your product or service in the ads. You have to test multiple ads. One ad will not give you good response. Once you put multiple ads, you will able to get the idea which ads are performing better. So always have 2 to 3 ads in one ad group every day. Try to see how your competitions are putting ads, what all unique selling points they are including. Your ad should look different, but should include regular basis what people are searching for, what interest people. Here comes the buyer persona. You have to understand the buyer objective, and accordingly you should put a better ad quality to him so that he should click to your ads. In the ads, you should also include some call to actions. You should encourage them to do the sign-ups. Just write them free trial, call now, just sign up now, join now, buy now. These kind of call to actions you should put in the ads. These are very important for the click through rate. Let me take you through the second slide now. What happens once there is a click? What are the post click performance metrics you should measure regularly? One is the bounce rate. Bounce rate is something where suppose 100 people comes on your website, how many bounce back from that specific page? So we generally take it through 50%, 60%, 70%. What is the right bounce rate for a website? So out of 100, if 60 or 70% people just bouncing back from that specific page, that means there is something wrong. They are not getting the relevant information on the page. So you should look for bounce rate. The ideal bounce rate is less than 40%. It should not be more than 40%. Second is the click through rate. What click through rate you are getting on your ads? Ideal is 5 to 8%. If you are getting less than this click through rate, then there is something wrong. Either your bid price is not correct or something else is wrong. You need to figure out that specific thing. Once there is a click, you should check search terms regularly. Search terms are something where what people have written. and how they reached out to your ad, where your ad is showing up. If there is some kind of negative terms or the terms which are not relevant to your business and people are clicking to those specific terms, you should put it in the negative directory. It is a regular practice, you should do it. Regularly check search terms, and in search terms, if you see queries which are not relevant to your business, put it in the negative list. Average position is also a criteria by which we will able to judge the performance of an ad. If your performance is low, if your ad position 5, 6, 7, 8 or even more than that, that means your ad will not perform. Ideal position is between 1 to 4. You should look for average position of 1 to 4 only, because it is a trend. Once somebody write a query in Google, they check for first 4 or 5 6 space. Quality score is another criteria which Google picks up with the help of the historic data of your ads. So quality score consists of landing page experience, ad relevance, and it also include expected click through rate. These are the three specific terms in quality score. So based on the landing experience, based on the bounce rate which people gives, based how much average time they are spending on your website, these are the things which comes out into the quality score automatically. Google picks up that and they just record those terms. So you have to, if you want to improve the performance of your ads, you should look for first of all bounce rate, click through rate, search terms, average position, and quality score, and continuously improve these specific things on your website so that you should able to get the response of the users. What are the engagement metrics? So engagement metrics is first of all integrate your Google Analytics with Google AdWords. These things are very important. If you integrate your Google Analytics with your Google AdWords, so when you open your Google Analytics account, you will able to see many things which are related to Google AdWords. In Google AdWords also you will able to capture few things with the help of Google Analytics, like average time duration, bounce rate. These things you will able to get in the dashboard of Google AdWords also. You will also get the location and device information, how many people are coming from desktop, laptop, what are they doing, how much is the average time spent of these users, what are the location they are coming from. You can also enable conversion tracking. So based on the clicks, what happened to that click, whether he did any call to action, whether he bought any product from your website, these things are covered under conversion tracking. There are few codes which get deployed on your website with the help of Google Analytics. Google Analytics will be able to track the exact flow of each click, what they are doing on your website. You can measure goal completion also with the help of Google Analytics. These all factors generally give you the idea how to improve your ad. I will take you through the landing page experience. Landing page experience is very important. Landing page experience play a major role in bounce rate and lot of other things. If people will not get relevant information, they will not stick to your website, they may bounce back quickly. So you have to make it better. Call to actions, first of all, there should be few pages where they should able to fill up the information, they should able to reach back to your website. There should be smooth information flow on your website. People should able to see what's happening on the website, what all information you are giving. Information should have a right flow. You should not just stuff your website with many with irrelevant stuff. Put very clear user experience for the customers, and do A/B testing. A/B testing is important. If you put two specific landing pages for the users, and if you see on one landing page there less bounce rate, people spend average spend time is more, then you should include those pages. So it's a continuous practice. Regularly do A/B testing to check what should be the landing page experience of each user.